Hi guys, and welcome to another wee video. Today I'm doing a wee product review. This in front of me was sent by the paper bag company. It's been derived from paper and perfect for those festival goers and camping goers. It's got some goodies inside, so I'm going to review it. I'm going to show you what's inside and I'll tell you my honest thoughts, so keep watching. I'm going to start by saying this is very cool. I love the idea basically of leaving no trace, which is great for the environment. So as I said, it's got some goodies inside, so let's see what they are. So this is a really cool product, and I'm not just saying this. I think it's a fantastic idea to leave no trace when you go to your festivals or camping. As you see, the bag is extremely detailed. I love the little zip compartments that you have in there, and also the Velcro, and it's honestly, you need to see it. I think it's really cool. It holds a lot. In your wash bag that you've seen, you get a bamboo toothbrush, you get toothpaste tablets, you get a biodegradable body wash wipes, expandable bamboo towels, and natural wax earplugs. Again, really cool there. You also get some poncho just in case it rains, especially if you're in Scotland. It does rain quite a wee bit. Also attached to the bag there was this, which when you open it extends out to be a wee cup, which always comes in handy. Plus you get a very funky t-shirt, which I will be sporting, with a funky little logo as well. And I'm not just saying this, I was actually very surprised at the quality that this t-shirt is made from. It's really good. So overall this has really lived up to its expectations from the description that I was sent to receiving it. It's really good. Very good quality, fantastic idea. I love it. You know, leave no trace. It's the way it should be at all these festivals or camping. So if you do like what you see, all the information that you need to go and purchase it, get more information, see their other products, will be down in the description. Also, I'll be doing a review on my blog in case you want to read what I want to say about it, which is going to be the exact same, and see some more pictures. But honestly, do check them out. I think it's a fantastic idea. I'm not just saying that because it was gifted. Yeah, so at your next festival or camping trip, will you be taking one of these? I think you should. It's actually really good, so go and check them out right now, okay? And I'll see you in the next video.